the selfie camera on premium Galaxy phones hasn't gotten any better. Samsung has either recycled the same sensor for a few years or just introduced software optimization with it, which may be the case with next year's Galaxy S24 range. According to the Dutch publication Galaxy Club, the front-facing camera resolution of the full Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra will not be increased. This means that the present 12MP camera on the Galaxy S23 review series may be preserved. This is the same case with the 10MP sensor shared by the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S22. However, it is anticipated that Samsung might still make gains without adding more pixels by refining camera software or processing. Furthermore, it is feasible that Samsung would use improved machine learning or AI, which is not unexpected considering how the tech giant corporation depends on this when collecting moon and star trail photographs. Aside from the selfie camera, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are expected to have a 200MP primary camera, comparable to the Galaxy S23 Ultra review. The same source also said that the Galaxy S24 Ultra would include a 5x telephoto back sensor. However, it is unknown whether the ordinary versions will have this as well. Furthermore, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to utilize a newer periscope camera with a Sony IMX754 Plus sensor paired with 10x zoom lenses. Unfortunately, it was not revealed what advantages this sensor provides to the expensive smartphone. It has been some months since Samsung unveiled the Galaxy S23 lineup. If nothing significant changes in the company's timeline, the Galaxy S24 is projected to be released in February 2024. ICE Universe reports that Samsung is working on AI technology for the Galaxy S24 range, and it has nothing to do with Bixby. It's something completely different. Allow me to elaborate. Qualcomm has announced a collaboration with Meta to allow on-device AI applications leveraging a broad language model too. It's generative AI from Meta, akin to ChatGPT and Google's own Bard. Qualcomm is delivering this technology to phones with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which will power the Galaxy S24 smartphones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.